Hello. Oops. When you're doing this problem, you're using the point estimate confidence interval one. And we need to type in the number of yeses, sample size, confidence interval, and sample proportion. So to find the margin of error in 95% confidence interval for the following survey: sample size 500 and 45% plan to vote. So the number of yeses is 45% of 500. So equals 0.45, and asterisk means multiply 500. So we need 45% of 500, which is 225. Our sample size was 500. Our confidence level was 95 as a decimal. And then the sample proportion, 0.45. And then here's our margin of error. You need to multiply these by 100. So it would be 4.36. Here would be your upper and lower bounds. Again, you multiply these by 100. The second one, a survey of 15, here let me delete our, a survey of 1,500 people finds 67% support stricter penalties on child support. So the number of yeses, put in equals, would be 0.67 asterisk for multiply times 1,500. And then sample size was 1,500. Confidence level, they wanted the same 95%, so 0.95. Sample proportion was 67%. Margin of error. And again, you multiply these by 100 because they're the decimal. They want the percent. See how they have a percent here? And that's why you multiply them by 100. But there's your answer. Now for the sample size one, we use this one, minimum sample size, and you enter here. So it says you want to obtain a sample estimate of how much parents spend on their kid's birthday. The standard deviation is 74.2. %, confidence level, so 0.98. And margin of error within $2. And then here's our sample size. So when they give you standard deviation, you use this group. If they didn't give us the standard deviation, we'd use this one. Oops. This one here. But since they gave us standard deviation, we use this one. And here's our answer, 7,449.